On this point, Clark and McDonald Bishop had an exchange on the option of a judge-alone trial, but she concluded that it's the men's choice if they want a jury trial. At another point, Clark noted that a retrial would take an inordinately long time to get off the ground.
Hey, me work hard for me money. Me not pay for rob no banks. I rather walk and sell newspaper when the day done me give thanks. Me sit down and write me songs for entertain all of me fans. I hope and pray one day my song drop in the right ears and hands. When me say me nah say me soul for no grants, for no Clark's boot in a shirt nor pants. Me a hold the faith, me a move straight, me nah move lean or run balance. Me know very soon me go get my chance. Me prefer my Germany, Italy, France. So me nah go rob no purse, me nah go grab, me no want do no prison sentence. Me a walk free where me want, me nah go rob, me nah go steal. Nah sell my soul for no automobile. By the sweat of me bro, me eat my meal. I saw me keep it real. I am not afraid to put my shoulder to the wheel. Hey man, remember, words of encouragement, you know. Work hard for what you want. Your destiny lies in your hands. So push yourself. Have the enthusiasm. Work hard and believe. Push, push, push. Don't sit down and wait for no one, no handout. Remember, your destiny lies in your hands.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and it's so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah man, blessed love, pleasant good morning to each and everyone. You know, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know, the man of pace. You say give thanks to life. Well, I left the badge, but you know me always say, see the badge now, I left the badge. When I work with no lodge, see, but this morning I now have the badge. Now we have the Arsenal badge. That's what I say. Shout out to all gunners them. Yeah man, give thanks to life, health and strength. And give thanks to the sunshine. The sun has shine, you see, watch it. Allah, I don't want to know blind. The sun has shine. Watch it. Yeah. Road the Irish local gym this, and I do some exercise, some workout. And my son just started his new school, you know, just like 2 minutes away from Roddy. So you don't Roddy figure watch him head back. Big up yourself, Roddy Irish. Bad artist. Look out for Roddy Irish at Jamaica, you know. 7th in the next month, you know, July, you know. Yeah man, General Trees, the crowning of General Trees. Big up the whole Waterhouse, Cling. And so I say Fletcher's land. Yeah man, big up the whole Kingston 11, 12, 13, 14. The whole Jamaica, I love we say. You know, me are the man of pace. Yes man. You know, yeah, sun and shine. Nice, you know. But anyway, in this episode of my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, Vybz Kartel and the Dean is affidavits. And he's saying, you know, a retrial would hamper his ability to provide for his 17 dependents. You know, those dependents, I don't know, him kids and maybe him grandchild, kids and other people he might take care of, you know, mother and, you know what I mean? Can't name out the 17, but that's what is in the article, and I got that from the Star, that information from the Star. See? Yeah, so I have a clip, a voice we're making hear. His lawyer, John Clark, attorney John Clark, made some good presentation also, you know, in day 2 hearing, and hopefully some of the affidavits were accepted, which like Vybz Kartel one and I think one of the other men them were saying a retrial would hamper them, you know, financially and so forth. You see it, so. I'm going to hear the article that I got from The Loop. Big up The Loop also. You know, we are the diaspora, we depend on the gleaner, all of the news outlet them, the journalists them, you know. Yeah, and thing. You see it. So I'm going to hear what go on, and only can listen and decide, let me know what you think. Saying so, first Vybz Kartel say a retrial would hamper his ability to fed his 17 dependents financially. See? Yeah, so yeah man, I'm gonna listen to the article now, and also the judge. It look like it's gonna be a judge only. If there's a retrial is gonna take place, it would be a judge only. But the men, Kartel and his co-accused, would have the option to say they want a jury trial. So it would be a judge only trial. That's what St0p said. It's going to be a judge only, based on what he said in this article. But the men, if they choose to have a jury trial, then they will have the jury trial. But, you know, it's going to be a judge only trial. Is it? So anyway, listen and hear what I got.
Lawyer argues Kartel case retrial could breach constitutional rights.
The Court of Appeal on Tuesday started hearing substantive submissions from the legal team arguing against a retrial for entertainer Vybz Kartel and his co-accused who are battling for their freedom. Attorney John Clark submitted on behalf of the appellants that it would be a breach of the men's constitutional rights if the court were to order a retrial. He outlined that the 10-year appeal process following the men's conviction in 2014 should be taken into consideration, as well as the Crown's own admission of the unavailability of one of its main witnesses, in coming to a decision on the matter of a retrial. Citing case law, Clark submitted that the accused should not be placed in a worse position than they were in the first trial. He said also that it was no fault of the appellants that there had been a lengthy delay in the appeal process and that the court will have to decide whether a retrial would be oppressive. Vybz Kartel, whose real name is Aditya Palmer, along with Andre St. John, Kahira Jones, and Sean Storm Campbell were charged with Williams' murder in 2011. They were convicted 3 years later, in March 2014, and sentenced to life in prison. After the Court of Appeal upheld their convictions in 2020, the now co-accused took the matter to Jamaica's final Court of Appeal, the Privy Council in the United Kingdom. On March 14 this year, the Privy Council quashed their convictions due to juror misconduct and ordered that the Court of Appeal decide on whether there should be a retrial for the men. In the Court of Appeal on Tuesday, Clark noted that the men filed their appeal shortly after the conviction and cited the slow appellate process before the case eventually landed at the Privy Council. But when Clark compared the Privy Council's relatively quick ruling, Justice of Appeal Marva Bishop delivered a rebuke, pointing out that the Privy Council did not have to take into consideration the grounds that the local appellate court did. She also said that Clark was aware of the other factors that faced the court in Jamaica, which prevented it from moving as fast as the Privy Council. Continuing his submissions, Clark noted that fairness to the accused should also be taken into account when deciding whether or not a retrial should be granted. Citing authorities, the attorney said that it is incumbent on any party seeking a retrial to provide material to show that a retrial should be held in the interest of justice. Clark also cited publicity of the case and submitted that the men may not get a fair trial, especially due to allegations of corruption for which a juror was convicted. The Privy Council had found that the accused had nothing to do with that issue. In that matter, a juror on the panel from the murder trial had tried to persuade other members to return a not guilty verdict for money. However, Clark said that this could force potential jurors in a retrial to overcompensate to not appear tainted in giving a verdict one way or the other. On this point, Clark and Bishop had an exchange on the option of a judge-alone trial, but she concluded that it's the men's choice if they want a jury trial. At another point, Clark noted that a retrial would take an inordinately long time to get off the ground. He said also that even if accommodation is made for a speedy trial, that would affect other accused who are themselves awaiting trial. Clark is to continue submissions on Wednesday.
Yeah man, so the breakdown, as I said, the John Clark, the attorney, he made some good presentation. I made some good case, retrial. I got to take a lot out of the men them and, take long for start and long for conclude it and, But the judge Bishop seems harsh, like she's putting on her foot and making it fair as well, Because you don't have so quoting, you have objection and agreement, So the judge is saying, Judge Bishop, I say, if it's a jury, if they need jury case, it's the men them choice, Kartel them choice to decide that. But if it's gonna go retrial, it's gonna be a judge only retrial. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. You see? Yeah, but let me know what you think about the bad freestyle too. You see me? Let me drop the freestyle. This morning I do that. You see me? I wrote that song from 2013. You see me? Yeah. You see it? Yeah, I'm gonna get the history of me write that song too. Stylogy, they just come from Jamaica and Stylogy did on a show. And Jay and I got me on the show as well. I opened the show and thing. Octane was on the show as well, Octane. Big up Octane, Octane asked if me now come back to Jamaica. Cause me dad in Jamaica do the music, they won't chop back them and thing, I mean Octane voice, Lose a Friend. I was there as well, with the song of Voice. You see me I say? Yeah, and Octane come up and him see me and say, yo dog, you come back a yard and they do up me the show and sing a one song and get me forward, And Stylogy, I have a song named Bank Crabber. Call me the Bank Crabber. So I'm coming up with a black bag, bin bag, you know, full of beer paper and it. You know that style of image. So that's how I was inspired for write that song there. Big up Stylogy, you see me? Me I work for real, me not go rap, me not go sleep, me I work for the papers, me not free up no banks. Zane, so I got inspired to write that song the day after. You know what I mean? The show. Big up on yourself. You know, a lion foot, the man of peace. I remember, live good, be good, stay out of trouble. As me I say, yeah, and be your own man and your own woman. Don't let no one control you and, you know what I mean, manipulate you. Yeah. Blessed love. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. I'm going to check out my EP. Welcome to Kingston. Zane, manners and respect, cool shots.